What's up? It's your girl Shawnee J here, and I'm pretty new to YouTube. I do have a couple videos on YouTube already, but I just recently decided that I'm gonna start being way more active with my YouTube channel. I have to stop holding it off. I have to stop waiting for, when it's gonna be the right time, the perfect time, because it'll probably just never happen. So here I am. And I just thought I would go ahead and give you guys like a nice little formal introduction kind of video about me and to my channel, because I don't want to just dive in and start with the, get ready with me videos and all that, and you're just wondering like, who the fuck is this chick? And why are we getting ready with her? So I figured I'd go ahead and tell you a little bit about myself, who I am, what I do, and what I'm going to be bringing to you on this channel, okay? So I'm Shawnee J. I do quite a few things, but one of the main things that I do is music. I'm a singer-songwriter, a performing and recording artist here in New York City. I just want to go ahead and give you guys a taste of what you're gonna get when you come to my channel. Music. I'll be serving up these vocals for you, of course, because I'm an artist and music is my life. It's my life. And so I just want to put you guys on to a bunch of different artists, musicians that I adore, that I feel that you would really like too. We're also going to be talking about hair, of course. All right, how to keep it healthy, how to keep it manageable, all types of tips, tricks, and advice for you on that. A shit ton of tutorials on different hairstyles and hair regimens and whatnot. How to keep it simple, because I am into simplicity. I love simplicity and I love multi-purpose products. Oh my god, they're so near and dear to my heart. You're going to be getting a lot of that from me. I make a majority of my hair and skin products, so I'm gonna put you on. I got you, sis. We're gonna be talking about our health, because I'm all about beauty from the inside out. So we're gonna be talking about our eating habits. I'm a vegetarian on my way to being vegan, so you guys will be with me on that journey too, so that's fun. So a lot of yummy food and a lot of different restaurants where you can find different vegetarian and vegan options. And we're gonna be talking about spirituality, magic, manifesting, spells, meditation, synchronicity, signs, the ancestors, doing the work, all of that. We're gonna be talking about minimalism, because like I said, I'm into keeping shit simple. So minimalism, we're gonna be talking about a lot of different isms. Minimalism, veganism, racism, sexism, all the isms, all of them, just all of them. And I'm always gonna give it to you real and raw. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of shit like, this, because I'm not into this whole thing of acting like or portraying that I have my shit together and that I'm just always well put together. Like, now, I ain't got on no damn makeup. Okay, my hair is in these damn twists. I'm in my pajamas and a robe right now. And, that's how you just gotta start it off. You just gotta start it off to prepare people and let them know. Like, I'm gonna be coming to you like this quite often, so I don't want you to be surprised. I'm not trying to come at you with all the glitz and the glam, and then once I throw a robe on and I show up with no makeup and some twists, you're like, whoa, what the fuck? Like, no, you already know what it is from the jump. Another main reason why I want to be more active on this channel is because there are just certain things that I personally would like to see more of on YouTube. I would love to see more of my 4C girls on here. Hello. So that means that I need to be on here and sharing my experiences as a 4C woman. I feel like I don't see a lot of women coming at you on the YouTube videos like this. So I'm coming at you like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna be the change that I want to see happen. That's all. A lot of fun things to come on this channel, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to learn from you guys. I can't wait to share with you guys and just interact and everything. I'm really excited for what's to come. This channel has been a long time coming. All my friends are like, you should have a YouTube channel. When are you gonna start a YouTube channel? When are you gonna start vlogging and making vlogs and all sorts of stuff? And I'm like, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. So finally I had to put my foot down and say, you know what? Start. Just start. Just go. Just do it. And if you are out there wondering about starting a channel up and you're just like waiting around for the right time or whatever, I'm here to tell you to just do it. Just go for it. We're gonna do so much fun shit. We're gonna chit chat about a lot of things. We're gonna interact. We're gonna learn from each other. We're gonna grow. We're gonna elevate. We're gonna flourish. All of that on this channel. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment below with what you want to talk about or what you really want from me. And I will leave links below to my other social media platforms if you want to follow me, as well as my music if you want to check it out and let me know what you think. And I will see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe, okay? You don't want to miss that.